this is my meal prep for, I would say, 2 days, 2.5 days or so. So these are going to be dinners because I have 6 ounces of ground turkey, and then I did 120 grams of vegetables. So vegetables, you know, you get your carbs in the vegetables. I am trying not to do any rice or potatoes or breads right now. So again, this is 6 ounces of protein, 120 grams of vegetables. Yeah. So, and then this is messy, but it's not like portioned or sectioned off. So, and this is 4 ounces of ground turkey, and then I did 60 grams of vegetables. So this will be lunch. And these are the same thing, but I made them in small containers just to like pick up or whatever to put in the microwave real quickly, so I can have healthy options and not like try to snack on anything else, which I've been doing really good. I'm gonna boil some eggs too to have as quick snacks and stuff like that, and I have some watermelon and some pineapples, and I have strawberries. So I'm also gonna make some little containers with the fruit. So, but I just wanted to get this out of the way. Yes, I'm proud of myself.